BESEGO CS Baby Wet and Dry Cloth Diaper Bags. Nappy by BESEGO is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Grab and go with BESEGO Wet Dry Cloth Diaper Organza Bag. Multi-purpose organizer storage bag, not only for baby items, but also a storage bag that is great for travel, beach, pool, gym bag. You can organize your damp clothes, swimming suits, underwear, socks, and other belongings. Perfect shower gift, travel equipment, sports storage, mother's gift and more. Other feathers. Cute design hanging wet bag with highest quality stitching. Resist most stains with the laundry nappy bag, and prevent the odor from dispersing. Light less than 0.15 lbs and folds up easily, portable, grab, and go. Eco-friendly, washable, and reusable. Promise. The manufacturer are confident that the manufacturer's baby wet dry bag will provide years of worry-free use. You can buy with confidence knowing that it comes with a lifetime warranty, which continue to use for years. Note: the product is not fit for items that are dripping wet. Damp is okay. To protect the fabric, wash temperature, less than 110 degrees F, 95% polyester, 5% TPU. Smart Pocket, double zippered nappy organizer bag allows you to separate your damp and dry items in the same bag. Premium quality, BESEGO Cute Diaper Wet Bag made of sturdy and durable polyester TPU material which keeps moisture in and easy wipe. Enough capacity, 12 inches by 14 inches wet dry diaper bag, roomy enough to hold approx 5 to 7 wet and dry items, like cloth diapers, swimsuits, towel, pump parts and more. Portable design, the manufacturer's hanging laundry organizer comes with handle straps for easy to carry or hang on somewhere to save space, like baby carriage, doorknobs, towel rod. Perfect for outdoor or travel. Eco-friendly, washable and reusable waterproof cloth diaper wet bag is easy to clean. Hand washing and air dry are recommended to extend the life of this wet bag.